Well, the ground is frozen. That's because it's about -4 right now degrees, and it feels like -12 degrees. So it's very cold. We're not used to this. But I think the ponies don't mind. I don't think the horses like it to be outside. Sully. I am making a new braid. And there are the others. And it's because Bauke and Rob cleaned the stalls. Reina and the fillies are inside. Hey Bella. That's Blomke. And they are outside for about 5 minutes and they don't like it. So I bring them in again. It's well -3, 4, and it feels like -10 degrees. So they don't like it, especially Sally and Reintje. Okay. Hey Sally. Bella. We're finished. I was with her on the trailer. We were finished. Ta-da. Goed zo. Oh, be careful. And I was filming something else. Come. Hello? I was filming this. You are beautiful. Hey. Little unique. Come on. Hello? Oh. That's an apple. No? Come on! Ponies! Hey Peach. Daisy. Hallo? That's Reina. Reintje. Sally. En Risey. Daisy is a bit afraid. Do you know why it's there? Because Juko wanted to kill it. So, cheese, cheese, cheese. Better. Goed zo. Goed zo. Reina. Oh, be careful. Please. Hey. That's Glendy. Yveske. Risey. Sally. Okay, I want to show you something. When Reina was there, I cleaned the stall. And look what's there. This is from Juka. And it's everywhere. In every stall I find it. Don't eat it, okay? Hey. Hello? Hey! A big mess. Poop. And hay everywhere. Oh. Reintje. Hi. At least she is a bit happy. Risey. You too? Oh. Oh. Why? Okay. Hey Bella. Een halter. Oh, Yveske. Hey Daisy. Well, what did you do, Glendy? Oh. Peach. Oh. Peach or water. I think it was about 5 o'clock when I let them here. And now it's about 9. So they are here for 4 hours. And it's a big mess. Why? Halter. Oh, Yveske. And I thought Sally can stay with Reina. So they are here. Well, I have to clean something. Horses are nice. Yeah. Hey, Risey. Well, about 15 minutes later, I cleaned everything. So, well, I think it's okay for now. Tomorrow we will clean again. Every day I clean stalls together with Bauke and sometimes my father-in-law and sometimes Silke and Vera. And yes, I want to do it every day so the stalls stay a bit clean. Yes. Well, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Wij hebben gewoon een gratis skiesbaan. Is nou net op de sleerschaatsen? Dat niet net.
Nee.
Dat is wel leuk.
Ja, leuk hè?
De eerste keer dat ik op een dikke schaats zit. Hey, Kiki! Kijk hoe het gaat. Cool. Kiki, kan je naar beneden?
Vind je het leuk jongens?
Ja! Ja! Kiki, jij bent er. Hallo!
Well, it's way too slippery to bring the horses out. So they have to stay in. Maybe later this day. But not now. I clean the stalls and the ponies can be here. And Glendy is getting this. And there's the sheep pellets. So, not for you, okay? Also not for you. Stop it. No. Hey Daisy. Rocky. Juke. Hey. Bauke. You. Hey. Taya. Okay, the ponies are outside now. It's still a bit slippery, but we think it's okay. Do you think it's okay, Rein?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Reina. Hey. Kom maar. Yveske, Boukje, Bella en Blomke. And look at Bella's dappled coat. Just like Mom Queen Unique. Beautiful. Bella thinks that's very scary on the house. Risey. Hey, Rocky. Hello. Oh, I have to tell something. This is Rocky. And I don't know how to tell. But I have Rocky now for, well, 10 months or so. Yes. And I always knew it is a boy. But last week I said to Bauke, it's strange because I don't see any things. I was searching for the balls and I couldn't find them. So, as you know, Rocky has a lot of hair. Yes, just like the horses, the ponies. But we were looking under her tail. And maybe as you know, it's hard to see with cats if it's a boy or a girl. But I couldn't find balls. So Rocky is a girl. Yes. And I always thought it was a boy. But now we know it's a girl. Yes, you. And we thought we still call her, it's strange to say her. We still call her Rocky, but we also thought Roxy or Roxette or Rockelientje, Rokje. But it's Rocky. Yes. This wild chick is a girl. She gets mice every day, 1 or 2 or 3. She climbs on the roof, high in the stable over there. It's a girl. Hey. Yes. Come, Peach.
Woohoo! To go. Oh, pakken.
Reintje. And I want to make a new braid. Hey. Reintje. Peach and Risey. Are you friends? Hey, Juke. Oh, Peach. That's very mean. Ooh, Juke. Um, please don't do that again. Rijntje, Sally en Risey. Kom. Hallo? Kom. Sally. Sally. Oh, that's mean. Reina. Okay. Please be careful. Rijntje. Sally. Goed zo, braaf. Why? Because he's not black? Hey! Oh. Okay. I see. Goed zo. Hey, braaf. What is Rijntje doing? Is he protecting Risey? Or is he chasing away Risey from Reina? I don't know. Goed zo. Braaf. Oh, Rijntje. No, Rijntje was kicking Risey. Oh, horses are strange. Hey, Sally, like I always say. Reintje, Reina, Sally, and Risey. Please stop digging. Glendy with a new braid. Hey Ryan, do you want to show what you were building?
Yes.
Building, sorry. Whoa,
Dit is de tafel.
the table,
Yes.
that's the window.
Kom,
What?
kom, I will something.
What did you have to say?
Ik wil wel iets laten zeggen.
Come, I want to show you something else. Yay. Hey Peach.